Hello everyone, I'm Rahul, a fourth year undergraduate studying electrical engineering at IIT Tirupati. Today I'm going to talk about the challenge in medical imaging, that is segmentation of white matter hyperintensities. So what is white matter? It is found in the deeper tissues of the brain. It contains nerve fibers called axons, which are extensions of nerve cells, that is neurons. Many of these nerve fibers are surrounded by a type of sheath or covering which is called myelin. So what are white matter hyperintensities? So hyperintensities refer to areas of high intensity on types of magnetic resonance imaging scans of the human brain or that of other mammals that reflect the damaged tissues, which are called lesions, produced largely by demyelination or an axonal loss. These are commonly found in elderly people. So coming to imaging modality, these problems are generally identified and treated with the help of MRI, that is magnetic resonance imaging, or computed tomography scans. So the MR technique comes under magnetic resonance imaging, whereas computed tomography technique comes under radiography. But this challenge only deals with the MRI scans. So the challenge: white matter hyperintensities of vascular origin are one of the main consequences of small vessel disease and well visible on MR images of brain. Quantification of white matter hyperintensities volume, location and shape is of key importance in clinical research studies, which can help in diagnosis, prognosis and monitoring of treatment for dementia and other neurodegenerative diseases. It's hard to compare various techniques as each segmentation technique is evaluated on different ground truth and using different evaluation criteria. So this challenge is aiming to directly compare automated white matter hyperintensities segmentation techniques. The dataset was acquired from 5 different scanners from 3 different vendors in 3 different hospitals in Netherlands and Singapore. So this training dataset consists of 60 images acquired from 3 different institutes that are UMC, NUHS and VU from Netherlands and Singapore. The testing dataset consists of 110 images. So here are the example images provided. The top row shows all the images present in the original dataset provided. So the bottom row shows the pre-processed images and the manual white matter hyperintensity segmentation. So this image is a mask used on brain scans of 3 images in the top row to get the bottom 3 images. 3 images in the bottom row. That is, after pre-processing, we got the images in the bottom row, first, second, third images in the bottom row. So after segmentation of bottom row 3 images, we got the last image, that is this image. These white areas are our areas of interest of this challenge, that are hyperintensities of white matter in the brain. So the evaluation metrics used in this challenge are DICE, Hausdorff distance and F1 score for individual lesions. DICE is a metric used for measuring the amount of spatial overlap between 2 samples, whereas Hausdorff distance, it measures how far the 2 subsets of a metric space are from each other. The F1 score is a commonly used metric in segmentation technique. So here the F1 score is calculated on individual lesions that are damaged tissues. The F1 score is a measure of test's accuracy, and its F1 score is given as 2 times precision multiplied by recall upon precision plus recall. So in this challenge, the best ranked method has an F1 score of 0.79, which implies that it is a quite tough task. As you can see, the F1 score is not much higher. So for more information, you can visit the challenge at this link, and the link is provided in the description. Thank you.